Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you this classic gold and red festive makeup look which you can create for upcoming festival like Karwa Chauth or Diwali. It's very elegant and simple to recreate, so let's start it. I'm using this Color Bar primer oil which give me a nice glow, minimize appearance the pores and also keep my makeup in place for a longer period of time. Moving on to my brows, first I comb them and fill those sparse areas and again comb them on upward direction. For neutralize my dark circle, I am using this orange corrector from LA Girl, but it's so thick in consistency, so I mix it with a lighter concealer so that it blends into my skin properly and apply it under my eyes, around my mouth area where I have some pigmentation, and blend this product nicely using my finger. Now I set this orange corrector in place using help of this loose powder. Also I have some acne marks as you can see, so I am using a green corrector now. This is also from LA Girl and apply this on my acne spots. I am not big fan of a color corrector, but today I go for a bright red lip, so it's important to correct my imperfection well, otherwise I look dull and tired. Now I also set this green corrector using help of this loose powder. For my foundation, today I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 and mix it with L'Oreal Liquid Illuminator for a nice festive glow. First I apply it all over my face and now I blend this product using my finger. After that, taking this Damn Beauty sponge for an even finish. For a concealer, I am using this Fit Me concealer in the shade 35 Deep and apply those areas where I need it. Now I blend this product using my finger. For some highlighting effect, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer now in the shade 25 and apply this under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my forehead and my cupid bow or chin area and blend this product using my Damn Beauty sponge. Now I set my entire makeup using this Maybelline loose powder. I am in the shade 25. Moving on to my eyes, taking this medium brown shade from Maybelline Nude palette and apply it all over my crease area for a nice definition. Now I am taking this gold shade from this palette and sprayed and blending this product all over my eyelid. Now taking my favorite Maybelline gel eyeliner and create a wing eyeliner. I'm sorry that I hold my mirror in a wrong way, but I just create a very basic wing eyeliner, nothing dramatic. Now I am taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the black and apply it on lower waterline. Also tightlining my upper lash line using help of this. And now I smudge this a little bit using a pencil brush. For my lashes, first I give them a good curl and then apply this Maybelline mascara. I have sensitive eyes, that's why I am not using any falsies. You can use this. Coming back to my cheek, first I contour a little bit using this sugar bronzer, apply it under my cheekbone, under my jawline, little bit on my forehead and side of my nose for a nice definition. For blush, I go for a earthy neutral color and apply it all over my cheeks. This is from Lakme. Now for my lip, first I line and fill my entire lip using a lip liner. And then take this Lakme Absolute Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rhythmic Red and apply it entire lip. It's a beautiful bright red color, as you can see. For highlighter, today I am using this Nykaa highlighter and highlight my entire face using a fan brush. Lastly, I am applying a small bindi and finish this look. That's the final finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it is, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also take a moment to subscribe my channel. Share your thought or comment section below. I'll be see you in my next video. Until then, keep smiling and love yourself. Bye.